So before working on any machine, please refer to your operator or owner's manual for further safety instructions.
Hello everyone, this is Derek with Weingartz, and today we're going over the John Deere Z500 series zero-turn mower operations. First, we want to do a few visual checks to make sure the mower operates properly. You can see right in the front, they have a nice convenient location for the fuel gauge so you can add any fresh gas if needed. Then you want to go to the engine, you want to check the oil level, make sure to add any oil if needed. You also want to check all 4 tires for the proper air pressure, and make sure to clean any debris from the mower deck. It's also very important to check the blades for any damage or excessive wear. Before starting the mower, we have a few safety reminders. Always be sure to have proper ear and eye protection. There are never any passengers allowed. Be cautious on hills and avoid steep inclines. Always be aware of your surroundings, and make sure to turn the blades off whenever getting off the mower. The model we are featuring in this video is a Z530R, which comes equipped with a 24 horsepower John Deere engine and either a 54-inch or 60-inch high-capacity deck. This mower is also equipped with a 22.5-inch seat featuring the Comfort Glide system and also has an extremely nice electronic display. Some other notable features on this mower are the 4 LED lights located 2 on the back and 2 on the front, the large front caster wheels, and also the no tool needed access to your belts below. Now we're ready to go over basic operations of the mower. First, the control levers. The control levers must be in the outward position in order to start the mower. Each lever powers each individual wheel, so if I were to push this left control lever outward, that's going to push that left wheel to start to turn, which is then going to turn me to the right. Same with this right control lever. If I push this right control lever outward while keeping the left control lever stationary, that's going to power this right wheel forward, which is then going to turn me to the left. To mow a nice even straight line, you must push both levers outward evenly. This also controls how fast you go based on how far out you push the levers. Now we want to set the mower deck to the height we wish to cut at. First, you want to raise the mower deck up and lock it into the transport height using the deck lock. Now you can drop the pin in to the height you wish to cut and push that foot pedal assist back in and unlock the deck lock so that the mower deck drops to the height we wish to cut. Now we're ready to start the mower. To start the mower, make sure the parking brake is engaged, make sure the control levers are in the outward position, make sure the yellow PTO switch is in the off position, and then engage the choke by pushing up and put the throttle to about the halfway or lower point, and then you can turn the key until the mower starts. Once the mower starts, you can slowly release the choke lever out of the choke position. And whenever you want to turn on the blades, make sure to fully engage the throttle. Now that we have the mower started, let's go over the driving operations. First, you must disengage the parking brake. Now you can bring those control levers inward, and each control lever is going to power each individual wheel. So if I push this left control lever outward, that's going to power this left wheel to start to turn, and I'm going to turn to the right. Same with this right control lever. If I push this one outward while keeping the left control lever stationary, that's going to power the right wheel to start to turn, and I'm going to turn to the left. To move forward at a straight, even line, you want to push both levers outward evenly. This also determines how fast you go. So be careful on how quickly you push the control levers outward and make sure you have control. Also the same to move backwards at a straight, even line. You want to pull both levers towards you. And also, before getting off the mower, you always want to make sure to remember to re-engage that parking brake. Thank you for watching. We sell John Deere equipment at our Farmington Hills and Utica store locations. If you have any questions, please feel free to stop by any of our store locations or visit our website at www.weingartz.com. Thank you, and I hope you have a great day.